Hey tech friends, welcome back to tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to add widgets on your phone on home page. So in this, I will guide on the easiest and step-by-step process to add widgets to your phone on home screen. So let's dive into our video. First of all, you have to long press on your home screen. Yeah, now you can see here widgets option is showing. So you have to tap on this. I will explain about widgets. What widgets means. It's an software components that display information from an app or game. Widgets can be used to personalize device and access information quickly. So it will better to keep widgets on your home screen because sometime if you want to see clock, it will be visible in there. So it will be easy to see and also. So now you can see here different widgets are there like a clock, weathers, notes, calculator, music, and Chrome's also some system UI. Whatever you want, you can add from here. Suppose I will so far one weather, so I will tap on this. Yeah, now you can see here, and at the top on the right side, one tick option is showing. So if you will tap on this, it will add on your home screen. So I will say I will tap on this. Yeah, now you can see here it's set on that your home screen. So in this way you can add the widgets on your phone on home screen. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.